If you are watching this video, you have probably spent years learning English grammar rules. You know what a present perfect tense is. You can read English and you can understand it when someone else is speaking. But the moment you open your mouth to speak, boom, your mind goes completely blank. You freeze. I want to tell you something right now which your teacher never told you. Understanding English and speaking English are two completely different things because it comes under your skills. Knowing grammar doesn't make you fluent. In this video, I'm giving you the ultimate no nonsense blueprint to finally speak English smoothly, confidently, and without thinking in your native language. So, we are going to cover everything from rewiring your brain to actual daily exercises you can do alone in your room. Grab a notebook because your journey to fluency starts right now. Let's start with step one, which is the biggest hurdle you face. Stop translating in your head. When a native speaker asks you a question, your brain usually does this. You hear the English, you translate it into your native language, you think of the answer in your native language, you translate that answer back into English, and you finally say it. No wonder you hesitate. By the time you do all that, the conversation has moved on already. You need to start thinking in English. How? Start small. Label your world. And how would you do that? Look around your room right now. Don't look at your desk and think of your native word for it. Look at it and think. Desk, laptop, window, water bottle, or maybe anything. Narrate your life. As you go about your day, talk to yourself in your head like a movie narrator. I'm making a coffee. Where are my keys? It is cold today. I need to go out. If you do this for just 5 minutes a day, you'll force your brain to build a direct bridge between your thoughts and the English words, skipping your native language entirely. Step number 2 is fixing your input to output ratio. Most English learners consume way too much input. You watch Netflix with subtitles, you listen to podcasts, you read articles. That's great for your vocabulary, but it's passive. To speak, you need active output. You need to spend at least 30 minutes speaking it. Here are two powerful solo techniques to increase your output. Find a video of a native speaker you like, a YouTuber, an actor, a TED Talk. Listen to a sentence and repeat it immediately after them, trying to copy their exact rhythm, intonation, and emotion. Don't wait for them to finish. Shadow them like a ghost. The 2-minute rant. How it works. Set a timer on your phone for 2 minutes. Pick a random topic like why I love pizza or my goals for next year. Speak out loud about that topic without stopping until the timer rings. If you make grammar mistake, keep going. If you forget a word, describe it. The goal here is fluency, not perfection. Step 3. Learn phrases, not just words. Step 3 is going to save you a lot of time. Stop memorizing a long list of isolated vocabulary words. When you learn words in isolation, you have to figure it out how to piece them together using grammar rules when you speak. It's too slow. Instead, you need to learn phrases and collocations. Instead of learning the word decision, learn the natural phrase to make a decision. Instead of learning mind, say I changed my mind. Instead of using only touch or learning only touch, you can use let's keep in touch. When you memorize chunks of language, your brain treats them as a single unit. When you need to speak, you don't build a sentence word by word. You just drop the whole pre-made block into the conversation. It makes your speech instantly faster and sound way more natural. Now let's talk about the psychological barrier, because let's be honest, the biggest thing stopping you isn't your vocabulary. It is fear of looking stupid, fear of people judging your accent. Let me let you in on a secret. Native speakers do not care if you make grammar mistakes. Think about it. If someone comes up to you in your city and asks direction in your native language with a heavy accent and broken grammar, do you laugh at them? No, you try to help them. You think, wow, It's amazing that they know another language. People want to connect with you, connect with me, not grade your grammar test. Perfection is an illusion. Fluency just means your message is understood. Every time you make a mistake and correct it, your brain grows a new connection. Mistakes are evidence that you are trying. Step 5. Creating your immersion bubble. Step 5 is about our environment. You might say, but I don't live in an English speaking country. Guess what? In 2026, you have the entire world in your pocket. You don't need to buy a plane ticket to immerse yourself in English. You just need to create an immersion bubble at your home. Here is a daily action plan. Change your phone's system language to English. You look at your phone hundreds of times a day. Make your brain look at English. Talk to AI, artificial intelligence. Use voice assistants or conversational AI tools on your phone. Practice speaking to them. They never get tired, they never judge you, and they will wait for you to find your words. Find a speaking partner. Use language exchange apps or join online communities around your hobbies like gaming, cooking, photography, anything where English is the bridge language. Talking about something you love makes you forget you're practicing English. Fluency is not a gift you are born with, it's a habit we build. If you practice English badly for 10 minutes every single day, you will eventually speak beautifully. But if you just study grammar and stay silent, you will stay stuck where you are exactly right now. I want you to challenge yourself starting today. Pick one technique from this video, whether it's the 2-minute rant or shadowing, just do it today. That's it for today. Don't forget to hit that like button if this video helped you and subscribe for more practical guides to level up your life with English. Thank you for watching and keep practicing. I'll see you in my next video.